So let's just write something.
This is.
So you can hear that. I hope that you can hear the prediction out loud.
Is. Example of.
Okay, and you can see that the visuals have changed. This is a high contrast theme that targets the most types of color blindness. And if I will do like spelling errors, okay,
example,
you can hear them in a female voice just to make a differentiation between predictions and corrections in a more intuitive sense. And yeah, so I think that is pretty much covers it. And if I will go to accessibility settings, just as you can see, we can again control the typing difficulties or physical difficulties toggle and dyslexia option as well. We can choose different prediction colors again that target, let's say, a bit more rare color blindness conditions. And we can control which voices are we using for each language, and the voice speed, which we also added because as we actually sat down with blind people and saw their work in real time, we realized that they love to increase the voice speed because they are very, very, very good at hearing voice and act on it. So you can control that as well. And for each language that Lightkey supports, you can just customize that as well. I will write something like, I don't like, and then throw something, okay?
bureaucracy,
And this is, by the way that read-aloud differentiates between corrections and predictions. Corrections are in female voice, and predictions are in male voice. I can do another one, but
bureaucracy,
and again, like it's different misspellings each time, and yet Lightkey understands the intent and is able to provide the word that I wanted to pronunciate. But let's say that I missed that for some reason. I keep on typing, and
bureaucracy in Mississippi,
and I wrote my second nemesis, which is Mississippi. And what happens is that as I'm moving forward, Lightkey actually picks up all the incorrect words and in one shot predicts, and in the read-aloud does that as well, what is the correct form. And with one tab, I can fix my input and just keep on moving forward. So there is no need to go back and fix our typos. We can just keep on moving forward, which is, again, the exact experience we wanted to create.